Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. Today we're looking ahead at what could be DJI's biggest year yet. 2025 is shaping up to deliver a drone lineup that mixes smart design, upgraded cameras, and longer flight times with powerful features that appeal to both hobbyists and professionals. From pocket-sized flyers to cinematic FPV beasts, and even pro-grade machines packed with AI, DJI's next wave of drones is rumored to raise the bar in almost every category. In this video, we'll cover all the latest leaks and expectations surrounding 6 exciting models: the Flip 2, the Neo 2, the FPV 2, the Mini 5 Pro, the Avatar 3, and the Air 4. Each of these drones targets a slightly different kind of pilot. So whether you're into travel-friendly design, immersive first-person flying, or professional-level content creation, there's something here for you. Stick around, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to Factic for more future-focused tech updates. Number 6, the DJI Air 4 could become the perfect middle ground between beginner-friendly design and professional-grade performance. Rumored upgrades include a 46-minute battery life, giving users more time in the air without constant recharges. Its transmission system may stretch up to 15 kilometers with ultra-low latency, ensuring smoother video feeds and more reliable long-range flights. Design-wise, it sticks to the lightweight, foldable formula of previous Air models, but leaks suggest stronger materials for improved durability and wind resistance. A redesigned gimbal system could also provide steadier footage even in challenging conditions. Camera rumors are exciting: a possible 1-inch sensor, or even a dual camera setup with both wide-angle and telephoto options. Video may support up to 5.4K at 60 FPS, appealing to content creators who need flexibility in post-production. Smart features like Active Track 6.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and Follow Me Plus add intelligence to its flight. Overall, the Air 4 looks like DJI's most balanced drone yet: portable, powerful, and creator-ready. Number 5, the DJI Avatar 3 is shaping up to be a game-changer in cinematic FPV flying. Built for immersive footage, it's rumored to include a 1-inch sensor, a big leap from its predecessor. This means richer colors, sharper detail, and significantly improved low-light results, perfect for filmmakers chasing unique perspectives. Creators may also benefit from raw video options and new picture profiles for better post-production flexibility. Flight time could jump to around 30 minutes, thanks to redesigned motors and improved efficiency, which is impressive for an FPV-focused drone. Stabilization is also a major talking point. Leaks suggest advanced digital stabilization or even a mechanical gimbal, which would greatly smooth out high-speed maneuvers. Safety and ease of use are key too, with expected 360-degree obstacle detection, an upgraded transmission system, and refined motion controllers paired with new FPV goggles. By blending professional image quality with safer, smarter controls, the Avatar 3 could set a new standard for cinematic FPV drones in 2025. Number 4, designed for travelers and casual pilots, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could become the ultimate ultralight drone. Staying under the 250-gram threshold means it remains friendly with most global flight regulations, avoiding restrictions that often frustrate drone owners. Despite its featherweight design, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to pack serious power. Camera rumors suggest a 1-inch or 1.3-inch sensor capable of 4K video at 120 FPS, wider aperture options, and 10-bit color, all delivering sharper details, smoother footage, and excellent low-light performance. Flight endurance might exceed 40 minutes, giving creators plenty of time to capture perfect shots without rushing. Its frame may be reinforced with stronger materials, offering better durability and wind resistance without adding bulk. Add in 360-degree obstacle detection, upgraded active track, and intuitive gesture controls, and it becomes incredibly easy to capture cinematic shots on the go. Compact yet powerful, the Mini 5 Pro looks like DJI's most travel-friendly professional drone to date. Number 3, the DJI FPV 2 is rumored to bring a thrilling balance of speed, control, and accessibility. While the original FPV model impressed, this second generation could refine the formula for both pros and newcomers. Leaks suggest a lighter airframe with improved aerodynamics, boosting agility and making high-speed maneuvers smoother and more stable. The camera system might also see big upgrades, with a larger sensor supporting 4K video at higher frame rates, improved low-light performance, and ultra-low latency for real-time responsiveness. Flight time could stretch past 25 minutes, remarkable for an FPV drone, giving pilots more time to practice or capture cinematic shots. New FPV goggles with higher resolution and wider field of view are also expected, adding to the immersive experience. On the safety side, features like advanced obstacle detection, assisted flight modes, and return to home should help beginners fly more confidently. The FPV-2 looks ready to deliver high-octane flying while remaining approachable to those entering the FPV world. Number 2. The DJI Neo 2 looks set to redefine pro-grade drone performance with its rumored AI-powered flight system. Designed for advanced users and professionals, this drone could make real-time decisions mid-flight, allowing it to safely navigate complex urban areas or dynamic landscapes. With 6-way obstacle sensing, it's built to operate confidently in tight spaces, while protecting both the drone and its surroundings. One of its standout features is a massive 60-minute flight time, making it DJI's longest-flying consumer drone to date. Camera capabilities also aim high, with a rumored 1-inch 21nm sensor, adjustable aperture, and 5.4K video at 60 FPS with 10-bit color. This means cinema-level quality with rich tones, and smooth dynamic range. Connectivity upgrades like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, along with a new controller featuring a built-in screen, enhance usability. Add in a redesigned propulsion system pushing speeds up to 65 mph, and the Neo 2 looks like a future-proof workhorse for filmmakers and professionals. Number 1, the DJI Flip 2 may be small, but it's rumored to deliver one of the smartest and safest flying experiences yet. Designed for vloggers, hobbyists, and casual flyers, this compact drone comes with fully enclosed propellers, making it perfect for indoor flights and tight spaces where safety matters. At under 250 grams, it avoids many regulatory restrictions, meaning more freedom to fly legally. Don't let its size fool you. The Flip 2 is expected to pack a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of 4K HDR video at 60 FPS and sharp raw photos. Add in 4x digital zoom and a wide 82-degree field of view, and this drone becomes versatile enough for landscapes and close-ups alike. A strong 3,000 mAh battery could give around 30 minutes of flight time, while gesture controls, quick shots, and active track features make flying simple. With portability, safety, and creativity rolled into one, the Flip 2 could easily be DJI's most user-friendly drone yet. And that wraps up our look at DJI's rumored 2025 drone lineup. From the ultra-portable Flip 2 and Mini 5 Pro to the pro-focused Neo 2 and cinematic FPV-ready Avata 3 and FPV-2, all the way to the versatile Air 4, there seems to be something for every kind of pilot. Whether you're after long battery life, lightweight portability, immersive flying, or pro-level cinematic footage, DJI looks set to deliver a drone that fits your needs. If even half of these leaks come true, 2025 could mark one of the most exciting years ever for drone technology. Which one are you most looking forward to? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Factic, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep flying smart and stay tuned for more from Factix.